How to schedule recurring transfers in Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to automate moving money between accounts, well here is how to schedule a recurring transfer on Discover Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, simply select the account you want to transfer money from and then click on transfer money or move money in the account menu and then choose the destination account by entering the amount and selecting recurring as the transfer type. And there you can set the frequency like weekly, bi-weekly or monthly and pick the start date. And once you're done with it, you need to review all details carefully and then click submit or confirm to schedule your recurring transfers. And with that, just a pro tip is recurring transfer can help with budgeting and saving automatically. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.